Morning, students. Okay, I'm Kavita myself. Welcome you all to the online teaching learning class. So today I'm going to teach you English grammar, and the topic is verbs and types of verbs. So let's start. So verbs and types of verbs. So students, so our today's topic is verbs and types of verbs. Types of verbs: main verbs, helping verbs, and linking verbs. So this we will study in detail. Okay. First, we will learn what is a verb. Verbs means what? Verbs are action words in the sentence. Verbs describes the action being done in the sentence. Verbs means an action words. Now here in the sentence, do not go outside. Now here, the action word is go. So go is a verb. In the sentence, I go to play every day. Now, what is action word here? Go and play. So this yes, go and play. So these words are action words or verbs. Now, I sleep at 8 p.m. every day. Now, what is the action word here? Sleep. Oh, yes, sleep. So, sleep is the action word or verb. We should wash our hands every time we eat something. So, here, what are the action words in this sentence? Wash and eat. Yes, wash and eat. So these words are action words in this sentence. So these words are action words or verbs. Come inside. It's too cold outside. So here, what is the action word? Can anyone tell what is the action word in this sentence?
Come.
Come. Very good. Come. So come is the action verb or verb. So here, I go to play every day. I sleep at 8 p.m. every day. We should wash our hands every time we eat something. Do not go outside. Come inside. It's too cold outside. Here are the words go, play, sleep, wash, eat, go, come. These all words are action words, or we can say these words are verbs. So verbs are action words. So the primary functions of verbs is to tell what action is being performed in a sentence. So verbs means an action words in the sentence. So students, can you tell me some more action words or verbs? Student, please tell me more action verbs. Yes?
Running, eating, washing,
Yes.
play,
Yes.
cooking, feeding.
Yes. Eat, cook, sleep, drink, walk, run. Yes. We do these action words in our day-to-day life. Yes. So these all words are verbs. Okay, understood, students? Action words are verbs. So now let's learn some more types of verbs. Main verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs. Now, what is a main verbs? We just read what is a main verb. Main verbs are action verbs. We just read before. Okay, main verbs are action verbs. Cook, sleep, go, come, yes, walk, run. These all are main verbs. So main verbs describes an action, or you can say main verbs are action words. Now we will see linking verbs. What is a linking verb? So let's learn linking verbs. What is a linking verb? Linking verbs links the noun or pronoun in the sentence with their descriptions. Linking verbs, linking is a word. It suggests link. Okay, we'll see the example here. She is a pretty girl. Now here she is a pronoun. And is is a helping verb. A pretty girl is a description of she. So is helping verb, it links the pronoun to its description. Linking verbs connect the noun or pronoun to the description of So is here linking verb. Is connect the pronoun to its description of she. Next, he has a big car. So he is a pronoun. Has here helping verb. A big car, a description of he. So here has helping verb is linking the pronoun he with its description. Means here has connect the word pronoun to the description, to its description. It gives information. The has linking verb, it gives information of the pronoun. Next sentence. He seems tired. So what is the linking verb here? Can anyone tell what is the linking verb here? He seems tired. Students, can you tell me what is a linking verb? Which word links the noun to its description? Yes?
May I tell?
Yes, tell Shraddha.
He is pronoun.
Yes, he is a pronoun.
Seems.
Yes, seems.
Wait a minute. Teacher, he.
Okay. He is a pronoun. Seems is a linking verb. Seems is a linking verb. So seems links the pronoun to the description, to its description. Seems shows. Okay. Seems connect the pronoun to the information, to its information. He seems tired. So seems is a linking word. It's joined the words. Seems join the words together. Now seems is a linking verb.
What is the meaning of seems?
Looks. Seems means looks. He looks tired. He looks tired, we can say. Okay. He looks tired. So seems means looks. He looks tired, we can say that. It provides information about the pronoun he. So seems is a linking words. It's connect the pronoun to the description, to its description. Means tired. This sweater feels good. Now, can anyone tell me what is a linking verb here? Which word is a linking verb? Yes, Shraddha, yes, tell.
This pronoun sweater linking verb feels good describing with this.
Okay, I'll tell you. Feels is a linking verb here. Feels is a linking verb here. Sweater, it's a noun. Thing, you know, sweater is a noun. Yes, feels is a linking verb. The sweater feels good. Feels give the information. Feels give the information, or you can say feels connect the sweater and good together. So feels is a linking verb. This sweater feels good. So feel is a linking verb. Feels links the noun sweater to the description. Okay, good. So feels connect the word sweaters and good together. Now the teacher appeared angry. Next sentence. The teacher appeared angry. So students, tell me now, which word is a linking verb here? The teacher appeared angry. Can anyone tell?
Appeared.
Appear, good. Appear is a linking verb. Appear is a linking verb. Appear links the noun teacher to the description, to its description. Students, remember one thing, linking verbs do not tell anything about action, but they link the noun or pronoun to its description. Remember just here, linking verbs do not tell anything about the action. Linking verbs are not action words, but it connects the noun or pronoun to its description. Or you can say linking verbs gives information about noun or pronoun, but it does not tell anything about action. So here, appear is a linking verb. It connects the noun teacher to the description of teacher. Description, it gives information of teacher. How teacher looks? Teacher is angry. Okay, it's a teacher appear angry. So it's a description of teacher. So appear connects the word teacher and angry together. Okay, and next we will see helping verbs. We have seen main verbs, linking verbs, and now we will see helping verbs. Okay, now what is helping verbs? Helping verbs helps the main verbs in doing their job. Helping verbs, the word suggests help, helping. Okay, the word it suggests help. So helping verbs helps the main verb, to complete that sentence. So take an example here. We help our parents. What is the main verb here? Main verb. Students, can you tell me main verb? What is the main verb here? We help our parents. Help. Yes, correct. So help is the main verb. Now, we should help our parents. We should help our parents. Now, your should is a helping verb. Should is a helping verb of the main verb help. So remember here, helping verb helps the main verb to complete the sentence or doing their job. Okay, so should is a helping verb of the main verb help. Next. I play football. I play football. What is the main verb here? What is the main verb here? Yes, students, tell me what is the main verb here?
Play.
Play. Yes, play is the main verb. I am playing football. You are playing. Playing is a main verb.
Am is helping word.
Yes, very good. Am is a helping verb. So am is a helping verb of the main verb playing. So helping verb helps the main verb to complete the sentence. She writes neatly. She writes neat. She writes very neatly. The main verb. What is the main verb here? She writes very neatly. What is the main verb? Yes. Yes, students, tell me what is the main verb here? Main verb.
Teacher, may I tell?
Yes, yes.
She writes very neatly.
Main verb. What is the main verb in the sentence?
She.
Verb, verb.
Verb. Right.
Yes. Good. She writes very neatly. So verb here, main verb. Main verb is writes. Writes is a main verb. She is writing very neatly. She is writing very neatly. So writing is a main verb. Writing is the main verb. So what is the helping verb? What is the helping verb here? Helping verb. Which word helps the main verb? Yes, students. Which word is? Very good. Is. Is a helping verb of the main verb writing. Good. Next. He kicks the ball very hard. He kicks the ball very hard. So what is the main verb here? What is the main verb here?
Ma'am, kicks.
Kicks. Good. Kicks is the main verb. He has kicked the ball very hard. So your kick is a main verb. And what is a helping verb? What is a helping verb? Has. Yes, has. Has is a helping verb of the main verb kick. So has is a helping verb of the main verb kick. They play in the ground. They play in the ground. So what is the main verb here? Main verb. Yes, any other students? What is the main verb here? Yes.
Play.
What? Repeat again. Play. Okay, good. They play in the ground. Play. Yes.
Play.
Yes. Play is the main verb. Play is the main verb. They are playing in the ground. They are playing in the ground. What is the helping verb here? What is the helping verb here?
Are.
Are. Good. So are is the helping verb of the main verb playing. Next. They were going to watch a movie. They were going to watch a movie. What is the main verb here? What is the main verb here?
Going.
Going. Yes. Going is the main verb. And what is the helping verb here? What is the helping verb? Yes, students, tell me what is a helping verb here? They.
Miss where?
Were. Yes, good. Were. Were is a helping verb. Were is a helping verb of the main verb going. So students, remember helping verb always helps the main verb to complete their sentence. And helping verbs comes before the main verb. So helping verb helps the main verb. So here they were going to watch a movie. So were is the helping verb of the main verb going. Okay. So we have learned many helping verbs in the sentences. So here, most common helping verbs. Most common helping verbs are. Here some words are there. Some helping verbs are there. Okay. We will read some helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, be, being, been, had, do, does, did, done, could, should, would, can, will, may, might. So all these words are helping verbs which helps the main verb in the sentence. Okay, so these are the most common helping words which we will see in the sentence. Okay. So let's revise. Let's revise now. Types of verbs. We have seen how many types of verbs we have seen? Yes, students, can you tell me? Types of verbs. What are the types of verbs? Can anyone tell me what are the types of words we have seen before? There are 3 types of verbs we have seen. So can you tell me? Yes, Shraddha, tell me.
Helping verb, main verb, and type of verb.
Helping verbs, main verbs, and helping verbs, main verbs, and linking verbs. Okay, we have seen 3 types of verbs: helping verbs, main verbs, and linking verbs. So main verbs. Main verbs means what? Students, tell me what is the main verbs? What are the main verbs?
Running, cooking, jogging,
Yes. Action.
writing, reading.
Yes, yes. Correct. Good. So main verbs are action words. Main verbs are action verbs. It describes an action. Okay. Main verbs are action words. It describes an action. Next, helping verbs. What is the work of helping verbs? What is a helping verb? What is a helping verb? We just read before. What is a helping verb? Helping verbs.
Can you repeat?
Helping verbs means what?
Which helps to
Verb. Helps to
main verb.
Main verb. Yes, very good. Helps to main verb.
Example.
Yes, example. Tell.
Is, am,
Yes.
are, was, where.
Yes, very good. So helping verbs helps the main verb in their functions. Okay, good. The last we'll see linking verbs. Now, what is a linking verb? What is a linking verb? What is a linking verb? Yes, linking verbs means what?
Which gives a link
Huh?
of description.
Okay, this description. Okay. So linking verbs links the noun or pronoun to its description. It connects, it joins. Okay. It connects noun or pronoun to its description. Or you can say linking verbs gives information of the noun or pronoun. Here. Linking verb links the noun or pronoun to its description. Linking verbs provides information of the noun or pronoun. Okay, so we have seen these three types of verbs: main verbs, helping verbs, and linking verbs. So students, now you have to tell me the answer of these sentences. Okay. Read each sentence and determine if the underlined word is a linking verb or an action verb. Okay. Now you will have sentence here and you have to find which is the linking verb or which is an action verb. Okay. First sentence. The strong winds blew down the old tree. The strong winds blew down the old tree. Here, what is the underlined word? What is the underlined word here? Blew. So tell me, blew is the action verb or linking verb? Yes, any students, tell me. Blew is the action word or linking verb? Blew.
Action.
Action. Action verb. Yes, good. Action verb. Blew means blow. We blow the balloon, correct? Blow. So blow is the action verb. Strong winds blew down the old tree. So blew is an action verb. Next sentence. Jessica's friends were very polite. Jessica's friends were very polite. Here were is an underline. Were is an underline. So tell me, is an action verb or linking verb?
Linking verb.
Linking verb. Very good. Linking verb. Because were, it's not an action verb. Were does not tell any action. Okay. So it's a linking verb. Third sentence. The movie ended very late. The movie ended very late. So ended. Ended is an underlined word. Ended is an underlined word. So ended is a linking verb or an action verb?
Linking verb.
Linking verb. Good answer. Very good. Ended. Ended is a linking verb. It does not tell any action. Okay. It does not tell any action, but it gives information of the noun or pronoun. Okay. Fourth one. Lisa paints pictures of animals. Lisa paints pictures of animals. Paints, underline here. Paints is an underlined word. So tell me here, it's a action verb or linking verb? Paint. Action verb? Action word. Yes, action verb. Okay, very good. So paint is an action verb because paint means action. We do action of painting. Correct? We do action of painting. So paints is an action verb. Fifth one. Betty is afraid of the dark. Betty is afraid of the dark. So is here. Underline word. Is the underline word. So here is a helping. Is a linking verb or an action verb. Is here action.
Linking verb.
Linking verb. Yes. Linking verb. So is connect is the linking verb. Is links the noun to its description, or is provides the information of the noun. Okay, so is here linking verb. So blue is a action verb, were is a linking verb, ended linking verb, paints action verb, is a linking verb. Next. Now read each sentence. Underline the helping verbs once and the main verb circle. Now in this sentence, you have to find helping verbs and the main verbs. Okay, you have to find helping verbs and the main verbs. Okay, first sentence. His uncle can drive us to school tomorrow morning. His uncle can drive us to school tomorrow morning. First, what is a helping verb here? What is a helping verb?
Drive.
Helping verb. I asked helping verb. What is a helping verb?
His.
His uncle can drive us to school tomorrow morning.
Means us.
Us is a pronoun.
School.
Okay, tell me what is the action verb here? Action verb. Or you
Drive.
can main verb. Yes, drive. Drive.
Drive.
So which word helps the main verb? Which word helps the main verb? Which word?
Can.
Yes, can. So can is a helping verb. Can is a helping verb. Can is a helping verb because it helps the main verb drive. Okay, so can is a helping verb and drive is the main verb. Drive is action. Drive is a action. So drive is a main verb and can is the helping verb of the main verb drive. Next, second sentence. The librarian might read us a story about insects. Again, I'll repeat the sentence. The librarian might read us a story about insects. So tell me, what is the helping verb? I asked first helping verb. What is a helping verb here? Helping verb. What is a main verb here? Which word is a main verb? Main verb.
Ma'am, Bob is read.
Yes, read is a main verb.
Helping word is meet.
Might. Yes, good. So might is a helping verb which helps the main verb read. Read is the main verb. Read means action. We read the books. Yes, we read the book. So read is a action verb or main verb. And might is a helping verb which helps the main verb. Okay, so helping verb means helps the main verb to complete the sentence. Third sentence. They could hear the ambulance down the street. They could hear the ambulance down the street. So which word is helping verb? Helping verb. Helping verb. Which word is a helping verb? They could hear the ambulance down the street. Which word? Could. Yes, yes. Could is a helping verb. And what is the main verb? Main verb. Main verb. What is the main verb here? Main verb, action verb. Action verb. So what action is being done in the sentence? Here. Yes, here. So here. Yes, here is the action. So here is the main verb. Next, fourth sentence. I am writing a funny story. I am writing a funny story. Now, what is the main verb here? First, tell me the main verb. Which word is the
I am
main verb? I'm asking main verb.
writing.
Writing. Yes. Writing is a main verb. And helping verb. What is a helping verb? Am. Yes. So am is a helping verb of the main verb writing. Writing is an action. Okay, writing is an action. And am is a helping verb. Okay, am helps the main verb of writing. The last one, fifth one. My friend Elena should visit soon. Again, I'll repeat. My friend Elena should visit soon.
Should.
Should is what?
Helping word.
Yes, should is a helping verb. So what is the main verb?
Visit.
Visit. Correct. Visit. So should is the helping verb and visit is a main verb. Okay. Should is a helping verb and visit is a main verb. Okay. So students, so today we have learned verbs and types of verbs. Verbs are action words is being done in the sentence. Okay, verbs are action verbs. Action verbs means main verb. Action verbs means main verb. Okay, so and the types of verbs. We have learned 3 types of verbs: main verbs, linking verbs, and helping verbs. Main verbs describes an action, and linking verbs links the noun or pronoun to its description. Or you can say linking verbs provides information about noun or pronoun. And the last, helping verbs. Helping verbs helps the main verb in their functions. Or you can say helping verbs helps the main verb to complete their sentences. So I hope we have understood verbs and types of verbs. So students, all of you understood what we learned today? Have you
Yes, teacher.
understood verbs and types of verbs?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So I will end the session here. So bye bye everyone. And thank you. Take care. Bye bye.